Welcome to a world that once existed only in the realm of science fiction. The year is 2024, and the skyline of our cities is dotted with AI-powered drones, silently going about their tasks. This is the dawn of an era of artificial intelligence, a revolution silently transforming every facet of human life. Imagine a realm where machines simulate human intelligence, learn from data, and make informed decisions. This is not a futuristic dream. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is already here, and it's making its mark across diverse industries. Consider healthcare, where AI is revolutionizing disease diagnosis and treatment. By analyzing vast amounts of data, AI can identify patterns and correlations that might be missed by human doctors. This could lead to early detection of diseases, more accurate diagnoses, and ultimately, more effective treatments. Turn your gaze toward the finance sector. AI is powering advanced algorithms that can predict market trends, provide financial advice, and automate trading. It's not just about efficiency, it's about harnessing the power of data to make smarter, more informed decisions. Look at the field of agriculture. AI is being used to analyze soil and weather conditions, predict crop yields, and even automate farming tasks. It's about more than just increasing productivity. It's about sustainable farming and food security. And let's not forget about manufacturing. AI is driving automation, predictive maintenance, and quality control. It's not just about reducing costs, it's about improving product quality and worker safety. But with this great power comes great responsibility. There are ethical considerations to ponder, privacy concerns to address, and the potential for job displacement to grapple with. As we journey further into this AI-driven future, it's imperative to navigate these challenges and ensure that AI serves humanity's best interests. In summary, artificial intelligence is not just a buzzword. It's a revolution that's changing the way we live, work, and interact with the world. From healthcare to finance, agriculture to manufacturing, its impact is undeniable. But as we harness this power, we must also navigate the challenges it presents, ensuring that this technology serves the best interests of humanity. Welcome to the era of artificial intelligence. This is just the beginning.